Hello, hi. I'm here at Gulfood Manufacturing Exhibition 2024 at Dubai World Trade Center, and I'm here at this wonderful Aptar Closures booth. And it's a pleasure to be here with David Haig, who is the Sales Director Closures for EMEA, and also Nicola Maffi, who is the Director Marketing for EMEA. Good to see you both.
Nice to meet you. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Good to see you. So, David, if I can ask you, how's the show been for you so far?
It's been really good.
Yeah?
It's been really good. I mean, this is one of our first times with a real true presence at the show. And we're really focused on expanding our business in this region. So to be able to come in and understand the trends of the market, meet potential customers and partners in the region has been really great. And today's Wednesday, the middle day of the show, and I think it's always the busiest one. So it's been really good so far.
Wonderful,
Really good.
wonderful. David, tell us a little more about Aptar Closures as a company.
Of course, yeah. So Nicola and I represent Aptar Closures, but Aptar Closures is one segment in a bigger group, Aptar Group. And the group is split into three segments. We are split into the pharma segment, the beauty segment, and the closures segment. All of which are focused on one underlying principle, which is to deliver dispensing solutions to our consumers and our customers. More specifically on closures, we're really organized around the markets and around our consumers. So we focus much of our energy on three end markets, that being food, beverage, and what we call BPH, so beauty, personal care, home care. And this week we're here in the region trying to inform customers and consumers about the solutions that we bring. And then something we may speak about later is our freshly established presence in the region from a manufacturing standpoint. So yeah, we're excited to share our solutions with customers and partners here at Gulfood.
All right, thank you. All right, David, sustainability is at the core of the packaging industry now. It's the main focal point for brand owners, for converters, for suppliers, for everybody. So at Aptar, how are you really looking at that, and what thought to action work have you done in this area?
Yeah, sure. No, it's becoming increasingly important for our customers and their consumers. So we look at it, it's a big topic, and we look at it from end to end. So ultimately, we look at it both from our operations and also the solutions that we provide. So firstly, we want to make sure that in our manufacturing facilities, we're manufacturing in the most sustainable way possible. And we're really proud as an organization to be recognized for our efforts in that space. So for example, Aptar is an EcoVadis Platinum member for the last 4 or 5 years, which ranks us in the top 1% of suppliers with regards to our efforts in this area. So really happy on that front. The other area is about the solutions that we develop. So when we think about the products and the closures we develop, we think about three things. So we think about recycling, reusing, or reducing. So for example, just a couple of things I would mention there is, when you think about reducing, one of the focuses for our customers is how do we lightweight packaging? So how do we take the closures in combination with the bottle from other suppliers and produce the lightest weight possible while still maintaining safety and convenience? So that would be the reduce component. Then if I would also talk about the recycling component, we want to make sure that first of all, our closures are 100% recyclable. So we introduce more and more materials that are recyclable. And then secondly, how do we reintroduce back into the closure recycled content? So we're creating a full circular economy, which is part of our ambition when it comes to the product. So as mentioned, it's really end to end from operations through to the products. It's more complex than that, but that would be some of the highlights that I would mention around our sustainability efforts.
Wonderful. So, Nicola, tell us a little more about Aptar's innovations. Aptar has always been a renowned converter for innovations in packaging, especially in the closure side. Here we are at Gulfood Manufacturing, and I see quite a lot of innovative products that you're showing here. Take us through.
Innovation is really a key pillar of Aptar strategy, and indeed our presence at Gulfood Manufacturing is really representing our commitment to the region, which is driven on one part from our physical presence with the new factory, but also with us focusing on our innovation in beverage. So when it comes to beverage, we are bringing our sports cup solution, so our flip top solution, which are already very common in other areas of the world, but here we want to enhance their presence in the Gulf area to support local brands and consumers. When we look at food category, here we have two big focus. One is sauce and condiment, where we are looking at lightweight recyclable solution, introducing a TP valve to make the packaging fully recyclable. but we are also focusing on edible oil. Edible oil is a category where closure has not played a significant role for a long time, and here we are introducing two solutions, Flippo and Maestro, which are somehow revolutionizing the consumer experience when it comes to edible oil. So very easy to use, providing additional features compared to the existing solutions that we have in the market. Last but not least is really our innovation in the beauty, personal and home care range, where we are among the many products that we display today. We are focusing on Embrace, which is our new flip top solution, lightweight, recyclable, monomaterial, capable to integrate PCR, and also Future Desktop, which is our innovative desktop solution, ready for e-commerce, but also providing a new opening experience and customization possibility to our consumers. Thank you.
David, Aptar Closures as a company, you're very well known and renowned around the globe. But tell us a bit more about your strong presence in this region, Middle East and Africa.
Sure. One of the key philosophies within Aptar is to try to think local and leverage global. So what we mean by that is we want to make sure that as a global company, we still remain close to our customers. So what that means is, as you can see behind me, is that Aptar Closures as a segment, we have a footprint all over the world. So you see very specifically here, last year Aptar was fortunate enough to acquire a majority stake in a company called Gulfood Closures. And Gulfood Closures has a long reputation in the Middle Eastern market, located in Bahrain. And from that platform, we are collaborating to extend the facility to then bring to the region the solutions that Aptar provides. So for the last 10 plus years, we've been doing business in the Middle East and African region, but importing from Europe. Through the establishment of our footprint in Bahrain, and when we extend the facility, which will be ready by the end of Q1 in 2025, we really want to accelerate Aptar's presence in the region through localizing the production of our dispensing solutions. So really, the message that we're delivering here at Gulfood is we're here, we're open for business, and we're really keen to learn from customers and potential customers what they're looking for, how we can help them solve problems, and ultimately deliver value to their consumers. So really excited about what the future holds, and great to be here finally in the region.
So Nicola and David, it's a pleasure seeing you both.
Thank you.
Yeah, and I'd like to wish you all the best for the rest of the show, and also for your presence in this region, which I'm sure it's going to grow much more bigger.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.